your schedule? तो typical schedule क्या होता था? How many hours did you used to study? और was this same throughout? और used to change कि पहले ज़्यादा कम फिर बाद में change? तो Oshin, like to start with you.
I actually, to start with, I didn't have an habit of studying for long hours. In plus one, I started with around just 3 to 4 hours a day, and it went on to around 6 to 7 hours in the end. And basically, I would point out that the number of hours is not actually that important. You have to complete your topics, have sufficient problem solving, sufficient number of questions you have to solve, and it comes naturally. There needn't be a definite schedule as to say that you have to study 2 hours each day for each subject. That sort of rigidity actually puts a constraint. That's what I felt.
Very interesting. Eliza, what was your schedule?
Like I used to study regularly, 4 to 5 hours each day. Then it went to approximately 5 to 6 hours in plus 2 in the end. I used to study in the morning because I loved the atmosphere at that time. And also, like Oshin said, that it is not that rigidity which will give you the constraint. So I used to study like the topic I felt that I am weak in this, so I used to give more time to that and have more conceptual view for that topic.
Very interesting. I think that's a great point, guys. Because I'll tell you what, the maximum question we used to get is कि AIIMS में और medical में अगर top ranks में आना है, like single digit ranks में आना है, तो ना 12 घंटे पढ़ने पड़ते हैं, 15 घंटे पढ़ने पड़ते हैं. So all the students who are watching this, please, make a strong note of this. You have examples in front of you. They themselves are saying that it is not that 10 hours, 12 hours they used to study.
Quality is much more important than that.
Yeah. So I think, this is a very common theme, and in some of the other master talks also the same theme came about, that quality is more important than quantity. So it's a very relevant point. Happy to get that reinforced.